Okay, we just went out there 2 seconds ago and it was gone. Now let's see what it's like again. Ow! This is pretty much the worst, nasty ever.
Look at that tree.
The wind is blowing so hard and it's so nasty.
It's chunking debris everywhere, dude.
Get me out of here.
Oh, don't want to go out there. God, look at that tree. It's sideways.
You're letting shit all in the fucking room.
Oh well.
Stand up.
Ah, no! Ah! There's fucking Corporal Moore.
I thought it was fucking rain.
Yep. This is probably the worst one ever.
I was in here looking for my motherfucking jacket.
It was raining.
Still is. I'm getting mud on my lens. It's raining mud, officially.
Alright.
I'm done. I'm not staying in here.
Oh, look, it's clearing up again.
Ah! I'm getting blasted. My eyes.